For those that may have these symptoms called ADHD or the like, is to practice balancing your brain function. And we suggest that you perhaps get some energy work from someone that you trust. Use perhaps these new technologies that are coming forth that will help to balance brain function. But you can also do this. You can also take the light that is within your hands and put it upon your brain, left and right hemispheres, and do that for about 10 minutes, just holding the state of balance. And when you initiate that with your intention, that energy is going to come through your hands and into your beautiful brain and will help very subtly the rebalancing and the rebooting and the reset of your brain function. Trust that it works. Have faith.